Assalamu alaikum. Today I will explain my project called Student Attendance Management System. This project is developed in C++ and use file handling to store student attendance report in a CSV file. The system can add, search, update, delete and display student record. So at the beginning of the program I include four header files. ISOStream is used for input and output operation. Fstream is used for file handling, string is used for string manipulation, and CStudio is used for file operations such as deleting and remaining files. The first function is initialize database. When the program starts, this function check whether the file named attendance.csv exists. If the file does not exist, it creates a new file and add heading, ID, name, department and attendance. If the file already exists, it simply displays a message that the database already exists. The next function is unique. Its purpose is to ensure that every student has a unique ID. The function reads all record from the CSV file and compare the entire ID with existing IDs. If the ID already exists, it returns false and the record is not added. Otherwise, it returns true. The appendance record function is used to add a new student record. When the user enters student information, the function opens the file in appendance mode and stores the new record at the end of the CSV file. After saving the data, a new message is displayed. The search by ID function allows the user to find a student record using a student ID. The function reads the file name by line and compare each student ID with the entire ID. If a match is found, the complete student record is displayed. Otherwise, a message appears indicating that the record was not found. The update record function is used to modify an existing student record. The program creates a temporary file and copies all record into it. When it finds the matching student ID, it creates the update information instead of old record. After completing, the original file is deleted and the temporary file is renamed as the new database file. The delete record function removes a student record from the database similar to the update process. It creates a temporary file and copies all records except the one that match the entire student ID. Afterward, the original file is deleted and the temporary file becomes new database. The display all record function show all student records stored in the CSV file. It opens the file, read every line and display the complete database on the screen. The main function controls the entire program. First, it calls initialize database to ensure the database file exists. Then it displays a menu connecting six options that add student record, search student record, update student record, delete student record, display all record and exit. When the user selects option 1, the program asks for student ID, name, department and attendance percentage. It checks whether the ID is unique and whether the attendance percentage is between 0 and 100. If the data is valid, the record is saved to the file. When the user selects option 2, the program asks for a student ID and search for that record in the database. If found, the student information is displayed. When the user selects option 3, the program asks for the student ID and the new information. It then updates the existing record in the database. When the user selects option 4, the program asks for the student ID and removes the corresponding record from the database. When the user selects option 5, the program displays all student records currently stored in the CSV file. When the user selects option 6, the program displays exiting program and terminate. So when the existing student ID is add in the program will display a message and shows the already existing record of the student ID, student name, attendance report and all the thing includes. So In conclusion, the student attendance management system is a useful application developed in C++ that demonstrate the practical implementation of file handling and data management concept. The system stores student record in CSV file and provide all the essential operation required for managing attendance data, including adding new records, searching existing record, updating student information, deleting records, and display all stored records. The program also ensures data accuracy by checking for duplicate student IDs and validating attendance percentage before saving the data. During the development of this project, I gained a better understanding of important programming concepts such as function, loops, conditional statements, string, file input output operation, and menu drive programming. I also learned how to organize a large program into multiple functions, making the code easier to understand, maintain, and use. This project helped me understand how software can be used to automate record keeping tasks and manage data efficiently. Overall, it was a valuable learning experience that improved both my C++ programming skill and my understanding of real world file based applications.